Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic on how to make your money work for you. It's a common goal that many of us have, but it can be tricky to know where to start. That's why we are going to cover some practical examples of how to make your money work for you. Before proceeding, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. First, let's define what we mean by making your money work for you. Essentially, this means using your money in a way that generates more money for you, rather than just letting it sit in a savings account earning minimal interest. The goal is to grow your wealth over time so that you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you want. One way to make your money work for you is to invest in the stock market. By buying stocks in companies that are likely to grow and perform well over time, you can potentially earn significant returns on your investment. Of course, this strategy carries some risk, as the stock market can be volatile and unpredictable. But with careful research and a long-term investment strategy, you can potentially see some great returns. Another way to make your money work for you is to invest in real estate. This could mean buying a rental property and earning income from the rent, or investing in a real estate investment trust REIT that owns and manages properties on your behalf. Real estate investing can also be risky, but it can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn passive income. Another practical way to make your money work for you is to start a side hustle or a small business. By generating additional income streams, you can put more money towards your financial goals and potentially grow your wealth over time. Whether it's selling products online, offering freelance services, or starting a brick and mortar business, there are plenty of ways to make extra money on the side. Lastly, it's important to remember that making your money work for you also means being mindful of your spending and saving habits. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you can maximize your savings and put more money towards your financial goals. And by avoiding high interest debt and credit card balances, you can avoid paying unnecessary fees and interest charges that can eat into your wealth over time. So there you have it, some practical examples of how to make your money work for you. Remember, the key is to be strategic, patient, and disciplined in your approach. By taking a long-term view and investing in your financial future, you can achieve your goals and live the life you want.